Welcome to the DIY Home Improvement Guide. Walk through your home and identify areas that need improvement. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, painting a room, or organizing a closet, make a list of tasks to tackle. Once you know what needs to be done, gather the necessary tools and materials. Common items include a hammer, screwdriver, paintbrushes, sandpaper, screws, nails, and safety gear like gloves and goggles. Start with quick fixes like tightening loose screws, patching holes in walls, or re-caulking around tubs and sinks. These small tasks can make a big difference in the overall appearance and functionality of your home. A fresh coat of paint can instantly transform a room. Prep by cleaning walls, filling holes, and taping edges. Then, apply primer if needed, followed by your chosen paint color. Don't forget to ventilate the area and protect floors and furniture. Replace outdated fixtures like faucets, cabinet handles, or lighting fixtures. This simple change can give your home a modern look without breaking the bank. Clear out cluttered areas by donating or disposing of items you no longer need. Invest in storage solutions like bins, baskets, and shelves to keep belongings organized and easily accessible. Boost your home's exterior by mowing the lawn, trimming bushes, and adding fresh mulch to flower beds. Consider painting the front door, updating house numbers, or adding potted plants for a welcoming entrance. Save money on utility bills by sealing drafts around windows and doors with weather stripping or caulking. Replace old light bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs, and consider installing a programmable thermostat for better temperature control. Ensure your home is safe by testing smoke detectors, replacing batteries if needed, and inspecting fire extinguishers. Check for loose handrails, uneven steps, or other hazards that could cause accidents. Step back and admire your hard work. Enjoy the improved look and feel of your home, and take pride in knowing that you made it happen with your own two hands.